My video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the adware called UpgradeIndex. UpgradeIndex is the adware belonging to the adload family of computer infections. UpgradeIndex adware attacks Mac computers. It attacks Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers. This application is spread through integration with a lot of free programs. So in most of the cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If you have found this application on your system, you need to right-click on it and move it to the trash. I also recommend that you research your computer additionally with Combo Cleaner, which can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Select your preferred operating system, download it, install it, and start researching your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.